Welcome to Scholarate. Today we are going to be discussing about top 10 important question of the chapter Life Process. So let's begin. So the first question is quite simple but it's important. That is, write the balanced chemical equation for the process of photosynthesis, where you're going to be writing this equation displayed on your screen. That is, CO2 plus H2O in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight gives glucose and oxygen. Now, you know the process of photosynthesis where the transformation of light energy to chemical energy is being done in green plants. And also remember one point, that is, you need to balance the chemical equation. If you don't balance, there is a high chance of getting a reducted marks. So please do that. Now let's come to the second question, that is, what is enzyme? And you know, enzyme is a biological catalyst. And what is catalyst? That's a protein that speeds up the chemical reaction without being itself used. The example of such enzymes are salivary amylase, which catalyzes the breaking down of starch into glucose in the mouth and small intestine. In the next slide, you are going to see the process. So you can see here how enzyme acts on its substrate, where the sucrose is being taken up as an substrate and the product produced is fructose and glucose in presence of H2O, which is very much important to be noted. So the third question is, when do the desert plant takes up carbon dioxide and perform photosynthesis? The stomata remain closed during daytime to prevent transpiration. So the desert plants open up their stomata during night to take in CO2. So in the fourth question, you can see, draw the diagram of human excretory system and level the kidney ureter on it. So you're going to draw the diagram. You know what is human excretory system? That's a system of an organism's body that performs the function of excretion and the bodily process of discharging waste. The excretory system is responsible for the elimination of waste produced by homeostasis. So coming to the next question, name the acid present in the following: tomato, vinegar, tamarind. In case of tomato, it is oxalic acid, we all know. Vinegar, it is citric acid. In case of tamarind, it contains tartaric acid. And this one you need to be noting because tamarind is the most common question that comes in your examination. So explain how does the exchange of gases takes place in plant across the surface of stem, root and leaves, and how are water and minerals transported in plants. So the first question's answer is given here, that is, the plant has tiny pores called stomata where carbon dioxide is taken in and oxygen is given out, which is very simple. In case of the second question's answer, that is, water and minerals are transported within the plant by xylem vessels. These are part of vascular system which also include phloem vessels. In case of phloem transport the product of photosynthesis within the plant to all parts of the stem, root, fruits, etc. in all directions. So the next question is, in mammals and birds, why it is necessary to separate oxygenated and deoxygenated blood? It is very much important due to the oxidation of glucose which require huge amount of oxygen. So the separation of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood will help the birds and animals to get adequate amount of oxygen to be deposited for oxidation of glucose. Now the next question is drawing the neat diagram of excretory and respiratory system. So this is one thing which you need to be remembering because these two questions generally come in the examination. So please do practice this two diagram which is displayed here. So coming to the 10th question, the last question of this video, that is, what would be the consequences of deficiency of hemoglobin? Deficiency will cause anemia. Anemia is a stage where blood is unable to carry sufficient amount of oxygen. So respiration would be less and less energy will be available. So the patient who is anemic will feel lethargic, weak. So basically hemoglobin is the main protein in the RBC and its deficiency will cause anemia. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.